Thank you for your interest in Bench Solution. In this short video, I will show you how quick and how easy it is to install your new workbench. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a drill, square, tape measure, level, 9/16 inch wrench, 9/16 inch and a 3/8 inch socket and stud finder. Before you begin, lay out all the materials that came in your box. This way they'll be easier to locate during the installation. It will also be a good idea to follow along with the instructions that were included in the box. First, you'll want to determine the height of your workbench. Bench Solution can be mounted at any height. However, standard mounting is between 36 inches and 39 inches from the floor. Guys, we're going to use a stud finder to locate the wood wall studs. Bench Solution works with both 16-inch and 24-inch stud spacing. Before drilling your holes, ensure that they are level. If your wall bracket is unlevel, the leg assembly will not operate properly. Hey, here's a tip. If you're going to install Bench Solution by yourself, be sure to use the center hole. That way you can make sure that it's nice and level before you tighten your other bolts. Now we can attach our vertical wall bracket to our horizontal wall bracket. A quick tip. To make sure everything is square, measure the distance of the insides of your vertical brackets. They should be 46 inches. Before you fully tighten all the screws, ensure the brackets are square so the leg assembly operates properly. Next, assemble the lower leg assembly. Make sure the lower leg is mounted with the hole closest to the wall bracket. Then attach the upper leg. Keep note of the orientation of the upper leg. Now it's time to install the wood top. Here's a quick tip. Only attach 2 of the hinges now. We'll install the third, the locking hinge, later. Lastly, after the handle frames are installed, complete the hinge mechanism and attach the handles. When mounting the handles, retract the safety pin to allow the handle to rest between the frame and the pin plate. It's time to attach the bench top to the horizontal wall bracket. This is done by sliding the hinges into place, starting at the left side of the bench. Now we will lock and secure the hinge into place. For our final step, attach the leg assembly to the bench top. If you purchased IdealWall with your bench, here are a few tips. Using a screwdriver, secure IdealWall panels into wood wall studs. Keep note of the orientation of the wall panels. For maximum load capacity, secure each panel using 12 screws per panel. Lastly, add a finished look to IdealWall using the included trim. It's that easy, and there is nothing more to it. Bench Solution.